Okay, let's do this cyclical process on a PV diagram example. And so I went ahead and drawn as best I could. It's kind of tough to get it right, but I drew as best I could that process on a PV diagram. And so recall our units here. Our units are in 10 to the 6th pascals on our pressure axis, and our volume axis, the units are in 10 to the minus 3 cubic meters. So 1 times 10 to the minus 3 cubic meters, 4 times 10 to the minus 3 cubic meters. And remember, the work done in this full cyclical process here, okay, so we're going this way on this diagram. The work done in this process, this full cyclical process, is the area enclosed by the path. Okay? Now, this looks like a parallelogram, but it's really not when you compare the values here. It's more of a, just a, I don't know what the exact name would be for this particular shape. I guess it's sort of a trapezoid. And so we can't just use a simple parallelogram equation to calculate the area. But we can simplify this by noting that we have 2 triangles here. Okay? So the work, which is the area, the total area, okay, is equal to the area of the triangle ABD, so the ABD triangle, triangle ABD, plus the triangle which is BCD, plus the BCD triangle. Okay, so that's what we need to do then, is figure out the area of this triangle here, and then the area of this triangle here. Okay, now what's the area of a triangle? Well, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, that's the area of a triangle. 1/2 the base times the height. Okay, so let's do that for ABCD then. Well, ABD first. So the area is 1/2 the base. So the base here, we go from a value of 2.6 to 1. So that length there then is 1.6 of our base. So it's 1.6 times 10 to the 6. So that's our that's in units of pascals. That's the pressure. Okay. Times the height. The height is 4 minus 1. So the height is 3. 3 times 10 to the minus 3 cubic meters. Okay? Then we do plus 1/2 base times height of our other triangle here. So the base is this dimension. That is 2 minus 0.6. So that length is 1.4. 1.4 times 10 to the 6. Okay? And I'm kind of running out of space there. Times the height. The height is the same as it was for our other triangle. It's 3 times 10 to the minus 3. So 3 times 10 to the minus 3 is the height there. Okay, so you do this calculation, 1/2 times that, plus 1/2 times that, and that gives you the total work done. And the work done when you do that calculation, the number you get is 4,500 joules. Okay?